I just got called an island boy. That shit happens. So basically, some dude, he came up to me today and he told me to start streaming and live streaming and making videos. He said that I need to get paid for the way that I look. So that's what we're doing, making videos. Bro preached to me about God and all that good stuff. So I just went to Fresh Alley and got some spring rolls. Really out here. You know what I'm saying? Do this shit in 0.5. Remind me that. It's a beautiful day. Plug.
Next stop, 9th Street.
Plug. Benjamin City, y'all. Oh, I'm home. Got the spring rolls, bag secured. God, doesn't my room look like a UFO? I got this drink called nude water. Pretty sure it's because it makes you nude after. Let's try it out. Fuck it. Oh man, shit weak as hell. That's nothing. It was only $1.50, but like $1.69 after tax.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Fuck. That shit is like nasty, first of all. But I know it gets you fucked up, but it's like, that shit is disgusting. It tastes like organic. It doesn't taste like a fucking White Claw or anything. It tastes like nothing I've ever tried before. It tastes like a beer, but it's a seltzer. I don't understand. It tastes like an organic ass IPA, but it's a seltzer. But I'm gonna try those spring rolls. I'm gonna go grab them. Yo, I'm making this video as I go, and that last clip was funny as fuck. Oh my god. I got the spring rolls. I fucking carried them across town. Let's see how they look. What? Let me just set up right here again. That was a good spot. Ooh. Plug. 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 Can't open this. I tied it too good. God damn.
He fucked up.
I got the 3-piece shrimp. What is it? 3-piece spring rolls, shrimps. Shrimp spring rolls. Oh my god, they look so good. Bruh, I am not putting the price in there. That was so dumb. I don't know why I said the price. Doesn't matter. But my that shit fire. The only thing is like a little chewy, but it's probably supposed to be like that. Honestly, this is truly fun making videos. Like, I actually like it. It's really fun. I'm like making it as I go, and I'm like, damn, this is dope. I don't mind watching myself. I don't know. But this shit fire, and I'm happy that dude told me to make videos. Like, anything you want to do, it's possible. You like my new hand tattoos? What do you think? I also did these ones on my leg. That one. And dang, I really want to show you this thing. Hold on. It's that one. That one's sick. But yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. That's pretty much it. Wait, how?